Google has finally given images a makeover 25 years after it launched. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Though the images interface doesn't look much different, but Google says the results you'll see in the new version are updated in real time and are intelligently tailored to your unique interests. You can still save images to your collections by clicking on a particular photo and then the Kaban menu icon above it before clicking Save. After you add the images, they'll appear as tabs above the main gallery so you can easily jump back in and continue looking for more similar results. The top of the Save page interface now shows one tab for your collections and another for all image results. You can quickly switch between both views, but remember, you will have to log into your Google account to be able to save images to your collections. In the coming weeks, Google is also rolling out the capability to create images with a text prompt and search by adding the company's Nano Banana AI image generator to AI overviews, so you can generate images without having to leave the search page. The feature will be available in all regions that currently support image creation in AI mode. But if that's not a good thing for you, you can always switch off the entire AI overviews anytime. While announcing the update, Google took a trip down memory lane by discussing how J.Lo's iconic green Versace dress became a hot topic when she wore it at the 42nd Grammy Awards in early 2020, and how that made the company realize that a standard search page with link results wasn't enough. Google said people didn't just want to read about the dress, they wanted to see it, and that was the reason why it designed the images interface and launched it in July 2001. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.